Hey everyone! If your iPhone camera's been freezing, lagging, or even crashing ever since you updated to iOS 18, I get it. It's really annoying, especially when you just want to snap that perfect shot. No worries though. I've got a few easy solutions for you today that can help to get your camera working smoothly again. Let's jump right in. Solution 1. Force quit the camera app. Now, if you've got a newer iPhone, swipe up from the bottom of the screen to bring up the app switcher. For older models, just double-click the Home button. After that, find the camera app and then swipe it up to force it to close. Then reopen the camera app to see if it's back to normal. After that, give your iPhone a restart just for good measure. Solution 2. Enable lens correction. Open the Settings app, then scroll down until you see Camera and tap on it. After that, scroll down again, and now you should see the lens correction option. Make sure it's turned off. Solution 3. Free up storage space. First, open Settings on your iPhone, then tap on General. Now tap on iPhone Storage. Review what's taking up space. If there is anything you don't need, go ahead and delete it to free up some storage. You can delete apps, videos, or photos directly from here to make sure there is enough room for the camera app to function properly. Solution 4. Check for iOS update. First, go to Settings. Then scroll down and tap on General. Next, tap on Software Update. If there is any update available, then tap Download and Install. Follow the on-screen instructions to get your iPhone updated, and then test the camera app again to see if the issue is fixed. Solution 5. Reset all settings. If nothing else has worked so far, you can try resetting all settings. Open Settings, then scroll down and tap on General. After that, scroll down and tap Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap Reset and then tap Reset all settings. You'll need to enter your passcode if prompted and confirm the reset. Now, keep in mind this will reset all your settings, but it won't delete any of your personal data. For that, check if your camera app is back to functioning properly. And there you have it! Some easy fixes for your iPhone camera freezing, hanging, or crashing after the iOS 18 update. I hope these steps worked for you. And if you still have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below. Thanks so much for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe if you found this helpful. Catch you in the next one!